back to my balcony garden, where I share another amazing episode about my plants. Hello people, how y'all doing? This is just a quick garden update. I want to share with my gardening friends that I have propagated an elephant plant. I simply place a cutting in some water and look at the roots growing crazy. And I also did this one. This is a different type of elephant plant. I can't think of the name right now, but look at the roots on there. So these can be propagated in water. If anyone wanted to know if you have this type of plant, you can put it in water. I don't know if it looks familiar to you this way, but anyway, thanks for watching. Welcome back to any visitors. Welcome back to my subscribers. Don't forget, support this channel by simply giving me a thumbs up. And thank you very much. Talk to you guys later. Elephant plant propagating. Thanks for returning to watch another episode about my balcony garden. I hope that you enjoyed and were inspired to garden.